going on, good people? This is Terrence with Southern Gentleman's Table TV. Today, we are going to do a breakfast casserole, but not just any breakfast casserole. We're going to do Sonic breakfast casserole. We got Sonic Tater Tots, we got sausage, cheese, eggs, some veggies. It's going to be really good, so let's get into it. First, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna use a 4-pan. If you have a Pyrex dish or whatever, but I'm gonna make this gonna be easy cleanup, right? So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these tater tots and I'm gonna pour them down at the bottom of that pan. All right. So they'll just kind of sit there just like that, okay? That's the first thing we're gonna do. The next thing is I got a half of a white onion and I got some bell pepper. And what I wanna do is I want to go ahead and saute these up, okay? So right now I've got the onions and the bell pepper sauteing. We just sweat those a little bit. After we get this nice translucent, get that color going, and then we can get ready to add the sausage in next. All right, so now we got the bell peppers and the onions nice and sauteed. All right. All right. Now, sit those over here. Now it's time to brown that sausage. So what we're gonna do is get that out of here. We got a pound of the ground sausage. I got the Owen sausage. I did the spicy one, the hot one. You add a little kick to it. Of course, with this, you know, if you don't eat pork, use turkey. You can use chicken sausage. If you want to do a vegetarian option, portobello mushrooms are really good. But either way, you can't go wrong with those, okay? Oh yeah. All right, once this is done browning, and then we're gonna go on to the next thing, so we can go and start putting this thing together. So we got the sausage nice and brown. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the bell peppers and onions and just kind of mix those back in here with the sausage. Just trying to get that flavor. And guess what? We're done with that. All right. All right. So now, last but not least, what we have here, we have our cheese. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shred our cheese. So about a cup of cheese, okay? And I like to shred my cheese versus the bags of the pre-shredded. You know, there's always like a chemical, right? There's a chemical that's on shredded cheese that keeps it from clumping together in the bags in the stores. And so I'd rather just get me a block of cheese and shred it. It's just better. Even when you're thinking about that, when you're doing your mac and cheese, it's always better. I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying you can't use it, but it's just gonna give you a better taste. All right. So we're gonna brown this. Once I shred this cheese, the next thing we're gonna do That's good. All right. I got 6 eggs right here. I got a half a cup of milk. I'm gonna add that half a cup of milk. I got garlic powder. All right, so about a, quarter of a teaspoon. I got some sea salt. All right, about a half a teaspoon. And then I got me a little paprika and a little pinch of black pepper, okay? So now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna whisk that up, okay? And so now we are just about where we need to be. So just as a recap, we got the Sonic Tater Tots on the bottom. In here, I got the ground sausage with the bell pepper and the onion. Over here, I got shredded cheese. In here, I got the 6 eggs. I got the half a cup of milk. I got the garlic powder, the black pepper, the salt, a little paprika. So we're gonna be ready to go. We're gonna get ready to start. All right, guys, so listen. So now we're gonna assemble this thing together. So again, we got the tater tots in here. Here's our ground sausage with our bell pepper and onions. So the first thing first, I'm going to just sprinkle that right over the casserole. Hope that I'm not blocking. I want you to see it assembled, okay? Y'all see that? That looks nice. Next thing is our cup of cheese. I probably got a little bit more than a cup, but you do it to your liking, okay? You got the cheese here. Spread that all around evenly. And last but not least, we're gonna pour our egg right over it. Oh man, I'm telling you right now, that's gonna be something serious. All right, so now, like I said, I got the oven in at 350. We're gonna put this in for 40 to 45 minutes. It's gonna be nice, golden brown. When we come back, we'll see what it looks like. All right, so look, after 45 minutes, look at that. That cheese is golden brown. Everything looks good, it's solid. And I'll just explain now, this white that you see, that's from the egg white. So it's cooked. It's cooked. It's not runny or anything, but that's just to kind of show you, make sure that your eggs are mixed really well. Again, there's no harm to that, but just want to show you what that is. But let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, I like that corner piece. Look at that. Oh yeah. Let's see what we're working with here. And of course, you can add some green onion to this. You can add some salsa if you want, ketchup, whatever, hot sauce. Ooh, let's see. That's hot. Let's see. That's it.